Good morning, everyone. What are we gonna do today? We're checking out of our Airbnb, but only for one night, because we are gonna go to a different Airbnb because we're crazy. More importantly, Kyle has a race that he signed up for. The race is called, what is that race called? The Hullabaloo? To be very honest, I don't really know what he's up to, but he has signed up for a race. So we're gonna go spend the night in that city so that he can get up early. But before we leave, isn't this just so beautiful? It's just so isolated. Well, this corner is isolated. We do have neighbors, but it is very pretty.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Oh man, I'm gonna try so hard to get some awesome pictures right now.
Breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand. As willows align, we lose track of time at a pad.
Sure. This is my doom.
It's a very clean porta potty. It even has a trash can inside. That's like luxury.
Oh, gross. Oh, I'm in.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go.
Yeah, so we are spending the night here tonight because it is how many minutes? 2 minutes from Kyle's race tomorrow morning, and we have to be there like literally 2 minutes. And so we needed a place close by to spend the night tonight because he has to be at the race at 7, and at this point we can leave at 6:55 and get there. This is perfect. We're spending one night here, and this place is just big enough for, it's like a tiny house, and we love it. And I'm kind of feeling like, I don't know which place I love more, the place that we're spending our week or the place that we're spending the night. These people so far are
Costs about the same.
they cost about the same.
Which the other house is a lot bigger for the same, but
Yeah, but still, like, these people, the hospitality, man, of all the food and the bread, kind of hard to see. But they left us a little snack pack, like little basket, like little snacky foods. There's coffee and hot cocoa. Wow, look at this one. That's awesome. So when you first walk in, this is the living room. It looks very much like a cabin. It's very pretty. Sorry it's so dark. It's the middle of the night. Got a little heater over here. Air conditioner. This is the little kitchen, little bar area, like stools and a place to sit. Kyle is gonna make some coffee for himself, a little kettle. This is really cute. And it's just perfect for us. Oh my goodness, look at the bathroom. It's really cute. Look at that. Little linens and toilet paper. Makeup towel. Oh my gosh, there's lotion and toothpaste and soap. Okay, and there's poopery. There's poopery.
Nice.
This is the best. I'm excited. It's, well, it's not poopery. It's sugar and spice room spray. But that's a big
Sugar
deal.
and spice.
And then our bedroom. Oh, a mirror. What's up? And oh, it's
My goodness,
cute.
I
That,
honestly am having a hard time stopping eating that right now.
that bread is that good?
Yes.
It's our bed. They left us some apple pecan caramel. What is this? Caramel apple pecan bread and apple juices. Give us that bread review right now, Kyle.
It's so good. Like I don't usually eat bread anyways, so I'm a little like easy to please there, but that was the most delicious thing I've put in my mouth in a while.
So that's the small cabin tour, you guys. This is a great place for us to spend the night tonight and get lots of rest. And then tomorrow is race day. So if you can comment down below, wish Kyle luck on his very first ultra. And we had so much fun acting so dumb today, getting our feet wet in the waterfalls. And now I am ready to just like go to sleep. And we'll see you guys all tomorrow.